Hello, I'm going to tell you what a budget Indian buyer wants. Swift is the most loved car in India. Every month Indians put money into this car more than any other. In segment of hatchback cars, no any other car comes nearby its sales figures. After launching this car, never looked back or any other car company came nearby its sales. Base model is started from ex-showroom price of 5.18 lakh, which is a fair price for a budget Indian buyer, but there are few cars which are offering great value for money capability in its segment. Maruti Suzuki Swift is a 5-seater hatchback available in only petrol variant with 1197cc 4-cylinder engine and producing maximum power output of 81.80 bhp at 6000 rpm of torque. Base model are also providing features like gear shift indicator, remote trunk and fuel lid opener, which came handy at comfort segment. In safety section, features like power door locks, door ajar warning, centrally mounted fuel tank, engine immobilizer and anti-theft device are starting from base model of Swift. But there are many cars which provides more great features than Swift with same price range. I'm sure, after considering this comparison, you will reconsider your thoughts of buying this bestseller. Tata Tiago is a 4-star rated hatchback from Global NCAP. You can optimize for XT model with price tag of 5.33 lakh, which is 15,000 more than Swift, but it add premium features like front and rear power windows, projector headlamps, adjustable headrest, USB charger, 7-speed front wipers, tachometer, power adjustable exterior mirrors and keyless entry. In safety segment, central locking, speed sensing auto door lock, impact sensing unlock, key reminder and corner stability control, projector follow me home headlamps are some handy features which are absent in Swift. In cosmetic features, dual tone dashboard, company wheel covers, tinted glass, rear spoiler, indicators on OVM, chrome grille and garnish are adding great looks. Tiago also provides Connect Next infotainment by Harman with front and rear speakers, Bluetooth, USB and auxiliary input. Hyundai's Grand i10 Neos comes up as a new rivals of Swift with 5.12 lakh of price tag, which is 7,000 less, and offers features like front power windows, adjustable headrest, lumbar support, tachometer, dual tone dashboard and multi-information functions, dual trip meter with service reminder. Suzuki Ignis is a premium hatchback in India's car market with 175mm wide and 15-inch diameter tire. It adds features like ground clearance of 180mm. Some great missing features from Swift and existing in Ignis are front power windows, adjustable headrest, speed sensing auto door lock, and impact sensing unlock. Additional features like key left reminder, headlamp on reminder, overtaking and turn indicator, driver and co-driver seat belt reminder, front wiper and washer, high mount LED stop lamp are also adding more value in this car. Tigor is a sedan car from Tata which is had very much misconceptions about price, but Tata is offering this car's base model XE at price tag of 5.39, which is just 20,000 more, but add tons of features. Starting from hydraulic suspension, this car add extra comfort and tilt and telescopic steering column add great convenience. Although it's sedan, but it has 170 meters of group clearance, which is more than Swift, and additional boot space of 419 liters. Also it has front power windows, adjustable headrest and great lumbar support for extra comfort. In cosmetic features, this car has tachometer in interior with premium light grey and slate interior, door pocket storage, tablet storage in glove box, piano black finish around infotainment system, collapsible grab handles, digital instrument cluster, gear shift display, trip meter, average fuel efficiency, distance to empty, door open and key in reminder, co-driver seat belt reminder and corner stability control. Tinted glass and chrome garnish are some external features. It also provides humanity line with chrome finish on rear bumper, high mounted LED stop lamp, crystal inspired LED tail lamps, 3-dimensional headlamps. So you are getting sedan with nearly same price of base model of hatchback.